So good day everyone, I thought I'd give you a look around the Sasquatch Studio a little bit today to show you some of the stuff that we have here and what goes on here. This is where the magic is supposed to happen, it usually doesn't, but we give it a red hot crack. So as we come in through this door, got our guitars here, there's a couple of Strats and these Ball, the PRS, Taylor acoustic if you want. You can do a video on them separately a bit later on. There's the complete unit, which is great for obviously the MIDI stuff that we use, and another keyboard and mixing desk. So we also do live sound here, so we're self-sufficient with our own RCFs and 18-inch subs. And pride and joy sitting here is my 7-piece Tama Star Babinga. If you'd like to have a look at that, jump on the Kobashi official YouTube page and have a look at the song Free Wire. I'm pretty sure there's a picture of it in there. The cases for the guitars, general bits and pieces, lots of hardware. That's the rack all the drums sit on. Another sub, couple of amps. Come here, we've got the drum mics, we've got the 414 AKGs, more mixers, more batteries, more drum mics, lots of 58s, 57s, Sennheisers, multi-core for all the live stuff, and that's what we use here for the live stuff. So XR8P is great. Well, it's great if you use a Wi-Fi with it, but that's great. And of course the Shure Beta 58s are excellent wireless microphones. A couple of cheaper guitars here for lessons. We do lessons. Here's my bass. Electric kit also for lessons, but also it's great for MIDI stuff. I mean, straight into the computer with that. This guitar I'm running with at the moment. It's the Epiphone Extura. Stunning guitar. Those 50 fluids are brilliant. And look at that colour. Come to the main rack and there's the Claret the 8 Pre-X, and that space there is for the other Claret 8 channels that I'm still waiting on Focusrite. It's only been 5 months, so no hurry. Warm audio, the compressor there, the WA76 is incredible. What you get for the money with warm audio is just it's ridiculous how good it is. And of course the 73 there. So what I would normally do is we'll record all the tracks through the 8 channels here and the other 8 that are going to go in here. And for overdubs and things like that, we'll use the warm audio stuff. Everyone's got to have a DBX in there somewhere. The Sasquatch Studio channel, which is excellent. Sasquatch headphone amp, which is excellent. And the 11 rack sometimes gets a bit of use as well. But for recording here, I use the HS8s. They're great for home studio like this. Try to be professional, but semi-professional. And Logic, we run Logic. Well, I run Logic because it's idiot-proof, and I'm a bit of an idiot. And it all comes through here, through the Kobashi Nerve Center, or the Sasquatch Studios I like to call it. And at the moment just running on some drums, writing a new track. In fact, a lot of the writing will get done here and then we re-record it later, but yeah, at the moment I'm just writing something and recording something here which I'll take to the guys. So yeah, so that's all you're going to get about that, because it's not really good yet, but it is a start. So anyway, if you want to look at the guitars later or ask about them, there's some beautiful guitars there. I do have a paper knife, and we'll catch up with you guys soon.